Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I will show you how you can use your custom fonts in your Flutter projects. So for that, as you can see, I have created a dummy project for the sake of this video, and you can see here it is using the default Roboto font that is used in the Flutter projects by default. So now to use your custom font, first of all make sure you have that font file in your device. Then then come to your Flutter project, create a assets folder, create a folder named assets, and in that create a folder named fonts, and inside that place your font file. Like as you can see over here, I have done. Now what you will have to do is you will have to mention these details in the pubspec.yaml file. Now come to your pubspec.yaml file, and you can see over here there is a font section. Scroll down, I mean most likely in line number 76 you will be able to see this section. So when you come to the font section, uncomment this part, okay? So it will be uncommented. For that you'll have to press Ctrl and slash, okay? So after that you'll have to edit these details. So first of all, in the font family, mention the font family name. For in my case it's Poppins, 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 as you can see over here. And over here you will have to mention the path of the file. If you have more than one files, you can use extra lines like this. So after you have done, click on Ctrl S to save the file. Now after you have edited the pubspec.yaml file, come to the main.dart file, and under the material app widget you will get a property theme to edit the theme data, and under here we use the theme data widget, and inside that there is a property called font family. You will have to edit the font family and give the font name that you have edited in the pubspec.yaml file. What this will do is it will override the data of the default font name and new font will be applied. Now if you are running this app in debug mode, it will most likely not reflect. You will have to stop the debugger and let's restart the debugging mode. Press F5 for that. Now hopefully it will be reflected. Now as you can see, the changes are already reflected. I have used my custom font. Now if you want to use this font only in a specific widget, you can also do that as well. Just for that, remove this font name from font family from the theme data, and then come to the text where you want to use it, and under the text style widget you will also get a property named font family. Come over there and add the font name, font family name, Poppins, it's in my case. Click on save, and it will only be reflected on the place where you want to use the font. As you can see here in this section, I have used the font in only this text, but this one is still in the default state. So I hope you got this. It was a pretty easy way to use custom fonts in anywhere you want, or you want to reflect the data throughout the app, you can do it as well. Thanks for watching the video. See you in next one. Goodbye.